In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Camelizer to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Camelizer set up in Google Chrome so you can quickly see Amazon price history right from your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We're going straight to the Chrome Web Store, which is where extensions live. In the address bar, type chromewebstore.google.com and press enter. This takes you to the official catalog of extensions that work with Chrome on desktop. Once the store loads, use the search bar in the top left corner. Type the Camelizer and wait a moment for results to appear. You're looking for the listing titled The Camelizer Amazon Price Tracker. This is the one that connects to Camel's price history data, so you can view past prices and make smarter buying decisions right on Amazon product pages. Click the listing to open its details page. Here you'll see the Add to Chrome button. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up. Chrome will download and install it automatically. You might see a brief notification confirming it's been added. No extra setup is required at this point. Next, make it easy to access by pinning it to your toolbar. Look to the top right of Chrome and click the small puzzle piece icon, which opens your extensions menu. Find the Camelizer in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. As soon as you pin it, you'll see the camel icon appear on your toolbar, so it's always one click away. If you like, you can drag the icon left or right to position it where it's most convenient. A few important notes so everything works as expected. The Camelizer only functions on Amazon product pages. If you're on a general category page, a search results page, or another website entirely, the icon may be grayed out or won't show data. Navigate to a specific product page on Amazon and the icon will become active. Also, this extension is designed for desktop Chrome. It does not work on mobile Chrome, including phones and tablets. Finally, the charts and insights you'll see come from Camel's historical price data, which is why it's so useful for spotting deals and tracking price drops over time. That's it. You've added the Camelizer to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and you know where and when it will work. Enjoy smarter shopping with instant price history at a glance.